Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today I'm really excited because I got my Macy's bag in the mail yesterday and I haven't opened it yet. It's still all wrapped up in there, but I thought I would show you. This is the first thing that came. This actually came outside of the bag, but I stuck it in there. And inside, they always give you a $5 or a $10 off coupon for any beauty related item at Macy's. Now this month, this is normally a $15 a month bag, but for some reason, they only charged me $2, which was great. I will take the $2, but it was some weird fluke. The bag is super cute. It has little lips on it. It reminds me of like the 80s with the color scheme. Let's jump in, and then they do give you prices on everything, so that's always nice as well. The first thing I'm seeing in here is a pretty good size sample. This is from Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I don't usually use face sprays, so I might try this. I feel like my friend would really enjoy that, so I might just pass that along to her because I know it's something that she would like. That retails a full size is 8 ounces for $12, so that's not too bad. Like, that's a pretty good sized sample. I felt like I was in the shadows. So that was the first one. The next one I see in here is the perfume sample. This is Oui by Juicy Couture. Now I do own the full size of this. I do really like this scent. It has watermelon, lemon, jasmine, tuberose, some other ones. It's a really cute bottle as well. I've talked about it in my Juicy Couture collection and one of my 30 and 30 videos as well. This one retails for $85 for a 1.7 ounce. Oh wow, they sent us a full size eyeliner from Urban Decay. These things retail for $22. Like, I was not expecting a full size eyeliner. And this is in a gorgeous shade. It's called Chaos. I was going to give this away because I never use eyeliners, but it's so pretty. I want to swatch it. I'm going to swatch it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's a gorgeous blue. Wow, okay. I need to start using eyeliners more. This is one that I need to use. That's awesome that they sent us a full-sized eyeliner. All right, next in here is from SKII. Now this stuff is super expensive. Like, their essence is almost $200 a bottle, I want to say. This retails for $135 for 10 masks. So this little mask is $13.50, which is absolutely insane for a sheet mask. Like, that's a lot. Okay, it just says leave on for 5 to 15 minutes. So it's one of the shorter ones too. This, wow. I'm just blown away. Like, that's a super expensive thing. And then we have something that's not super expensive. This is MOLY. This is a little lip balm. It's so cute. And the little cherry stem is rubber. I didn't realize that. I've never gotten one of their lip balms before. I think they're so cute though. All right. So this guy, let's smell it. Oh, it smells good. Should I swatch it? I think I am going to swatch it. It does have a little lid inside. Now I'm oversaturated with light because the sun just came out. Well, that's a really nice glow to it. There, you can kind of see it. So that's nice. This retails for $10. Wow, I didn't realize their lip balm was so... This is the mini berry lip balm in cherry. Does that mean that this isn't a full size? If you know, let me know. This is a... It doesn't say how many ounces it is. Shoot. Okay. All right. Last thing in here is from Tarte. This is a Tarteist lip paint in the shade Rosé. I feel like I have this. Let's see. We'll try it. Oh, it does have a seal on it, which is not useful at all. As I struggle to get the sticker off. and my nails are chipped. I apologize. I need to take off my nail polish. That's the next thing on my list. My goodness. Okay, that's an interesting shade. I don't know. It's more of a brownie shade, I feel like, than a rosé. Like, I don't think that's really a rosy color. You gotta let me know what your thoughts are down below. So that was the bag, 6 items, always 6 items, which is nice. I don't know if I'll use this one. We'll see. I might try it. I've not had the best luck with the lip paints, and this is the more liquidy version. There's also the more moussey formula. So this retails for $20, the full size, definitely not a full size. We got a full size sheet mask, which is worth $13.50. The eyeliner, which is worth $22, which is really pretty. The lip balm, which I think is a full size, for $10, which just seems insane for a lip balm. The Mario Badescu, this is a good size sample. This retails for $12 usually. And then the perfume, which I already have, which is fine. I think this is actually a good bag. I wasn't expecting it to be that good. I didn't know what to think when I saw some of the spoilers. I was like, okay, I don't really know what I feel about those, but I think all in all, this was a good box. Like, you got some good solid items. I don't know if I'll use them all, but I'll definitely use the sheet mask. Looking forward to the lip balm because it's super cute, and this is a great size to keep like next to my bed. This is what I like to use at night. So yeah, let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on Macy's. Do you get the Macy's box? Why or why not? Let me know down below. I love reading your comments and interacting with you all down there. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.